Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be focusing on this this eye look that I saw on Instagram. I forgot who I saw it from, and I don't have the picture reference. I just have the memory of it. But if I do find it, I will put it down on the description box, and then that way you guys can look for her on Instagram. And but yeah, today's video is going to be focusing on the eye, and it's going to be more like an eyeliner look type of look today. And so I did my eyebrows already because earlier I did a video with just the eyebrows, so you guys can see the way I do my eyebrows, you know. And if you guys want to watch that, I'm also going to link that video down below on the description box. So yeah guys, if you guys want to see me go from this, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to get a little bit up close, and then I'm going to be going in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium Honey, and I'm going to dab a little bit on the eye like so. And I'm going to be using first my finger to spread out, and then since my nails don't let me really, I'm gonna rub that on the beauty sponge. This is the beauty sponge from Morphe, which is the highlight and contour beauty sponge. And then do the same with the other eye. Whatever's left over on my finger, just back. Okay, so now the eyeliner part. So the one I'm going to be using is the Vintage Smokey Eye Pencil in the shade Jet Black. It's by Vintage Cosmetics, and I also received this in one of the BoxyCharms boxes. Forgot which one though, so sorry. But first, I'm going to a glitter. What in the world? Okay, I'm going to start off right here. Just going to do this. Kind of follow the shape of right here. And then right here, I'm gonna pull up my eye a little bit. Just gonna kind of go up here. Like so. And a little bit more actually. And then from here, I'm gonna go in. Kind of follow the shape of my eye, you know? I'm just gonna stretch out the eye again, kind of like it was a wing liner, you know? And then I'm going to go back in. So after kind of having, like, you know, the shape of it, I think I still have to fill it up a little more. But I'm going to be going in with the Vintage Cosmetics Step 3 Go 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 brush. And I want to just kind of diffuse a little bit right here, like so. That looks better. Again, going back in with the liner, just kind of And then again, the brush to diffuse the color a little bit. Okay, so off camera, I quickly did my other eye, and now I put on concealer and foundation, but the reason why I did that was so that I can finish the under eye. And again, I'm going to be going in with my little smoky eye pencil from the Vintage Cosmetics in the shade Jet Black. And I'm going to line the lower lash line. A little bit on the outside and of course in the waterline, but first lining it up. Like so. And then I'm going to be going in with the brush, the Vintage Cosmetics brush, and just kind of smoke it out a little bit. And what I did was from a Tartelette palette from Tarte Cosmetics, I used the shade Fashionista to kind of pack on so it could be a little bit more darker, because I didn't really like it, so that's what I did. And whatever product is left, I'm going to be using that right here and trying to smoke it out. You see, it looks more better, different but better. And I'm going to go with the other eye too. And again, man, everything's just falling everywhere. Again, I'm going to be using the brush and smoking it out. And then I'll be right back to finish the rest of the, I'm going to go off camera, I'm sorry, finish off the rest of the face, and then I'll put the finishing touches on the look. Okay guys, so I pretty much finished off, and I hope you guys like the look so far. I'm just going to end the video with the lips, and I'm going to be going in, since of course I have like a really dark eye, I'm going to keep it simple with the lips and just do, sorry, just do a nude lip. And I'm going to be going in with the E.l.f. It's the E.l.f. liqueur in the shade natural, sorry. Then I'm just going to and that's it. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I am done. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It's honestly new for me, of course not perfect, but you know what, I really liked experimenting with something different. And so yeah, if you guys like it, please like the video, comment, share, let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to see more of these types of looks, more like different, out of the especially out of my box, my comfort zone. But yeah guys, so thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.